In February, the governor met with Texas Governor Greg Abbott and 13 other governors to hear directly about the invasion at the southern border. Now, in response to a request from Texas through the Emergency Management Assistance Compact, the Montana National Guard will place 10 soldiers on state active duty to help with Operation Lone Star.
I'm signing a disaster declaration to mobilize Montana resources to help secure our southern border.
Gianforte says the team will help conduct vehicle maintenance and repairs. They're scheduled to arrive in Texas on April 8th. Texas Governor Abbott launched Operation Lone Star in 2021, deploying the Texas National Guard and Texas Department of Public Safety to the southern border. Personnel there work around the clock to detect and stop illegal crossings. Governor Abbott says while the federal government ignores this crisis, Texas is holding the line. Now Montanans are headed there to help.
We'll have people looking to surrender for asylum purposes or other political relief. What we encounter are people that want to cross the border illegally.
Senate Bill 4 is now law in the state of Texas.
Texas passed a controversial law known as SB 4 that allows local law enforcement, like Sheriff Cleveland, to arrest people suspected of crossing the border illegally. He supports the new law, saying it would allow his deputies to question people about their citizenship in routine interactions. But the law is on hold. The U.S. Justice Department has sued, arguing it's unconstitutional, saying Texas is trampling on the federal government's sole authority to enforce the nation's immigration laws. And while the county judge and county sheriff fully support SB 4, they admit executing the law will be another challenge. For example, the county jail can only hold 7 people.
Again, I support it, but there are some questions that are left to be answered as far as some of that funding for resources.
So we do have to have funding in order to be able to house inmates. We're limited as far as that goes. If there were court-appointed attorneys that were needed, again, those are unfunded mandates that we could not sustain unless we had some form of assistance.
Governor Gianforte led a group of 25 governors demanding answers from the president on who is entering the country illegally and where they're relocating. The governors have yet to receive a response. The group of Montana National Guard members is scheduled to return on May 12th. In the studio, Hallie Schwannard, MTN News.